Well, finding a bedside commode sounds simple until you actually need one. A few years ago, I bought the cheapest option for a family member. It wobbled like crazy on the first night and completely collapsed. Yeah, it was a disaster. Picking the wrong one is not just a waste of money, it is a massive safety hazard. So I spent the last few months testing dozens of models to save you the headache. Let me explain which ones actually work and which one completely shocked me with its hidden features. Drive Medical Folding Steel Bedside Commode. I picked this one up because it is arguably the most recognizable model out there. You see it in almost every pharmacy. When I unpacked it, the setup was honestly a breeze. You just unfold it and it clicks into place. It felt like a solid starting point for someone who just needs a quick, temporary fix. But here is what matters when you actually start using it. The frame is steel, which sounds great on paper, right? Well, in practice, it is incredibly lightweight, too lightweight. When I put my weight on the armrests to push myself up, the whole frame had this unsettling flex to it. I mean, it did not break, but that little wobble is terrifying for someone with mobility issues. Then there's the seat itself. It's made of this hard, unforgiving plastic. Sitting on it for more than a couple of minutes is genuinely uncomfortable. The opening is also on the smaller side. If you're a larger adult, you're going to feel cramped and restricted. It just lacks that basic ergonomic support you really want in the middle of the night. The bucket setup is another area where I have to be critical. It slides in from the back, which is fine, but there's no solid locking mechanism. If you bump the chair, the bucket rattles, and taking it out when it's full requires a very steady hand. 5. Medline Drop Arm Commode. I was actually pretty excited to test this one out. The whole selling point here is the drop arm feature, designed specifically for easier lateral transfers from a bed or wheelchair. I mean, on the surface, that sounds incredibly practical. But once I started really putting it through its paces, the reality set in. The mechanism to drop the arms uses this push-button release. Sounds simple. Well, the buttons are surprisingly stiff. If you have arthritis or weak hand strength, you are going to struggle to press them down. A product designed for accessibility really should not be this hard to operate. Another thing I noticed was the overall stability when one arm is down. When you do manage to drop the arm and shift your weight over, the chair leans slightly. It is not going to tip over completely, but that slight shift is enough to make anyone nervous. You really have to make sure it is planted perfectly flat against the floor before attempting a transfer. Let us talk about the backrest for a second. It's essentially just a single bar covered in a thin layer of foam. When you lean back, it hits right in the middle of your spine. It's just not comfortable. Plus, the foam material absorbs moisture and odors over time. I found myself wiping it down constantly just to keep it feeling clean. So the verdict on the Medline drop arm? The concept is fantastic, but the execution is just a bit clunky. 4. Vive Bariatric Bedside 3-in-1 Commode. Right out of the box, I could immediately tell this was a massive upgrade in build quality. This thing is designed to handle up to 500 pounds, and let me tell you, you feel that strength the second you lean on it. Here is what matters most with bariatric models. They actually have to stay planted. When I tested the stability by aggressively pushing off the armrests, this chair did not budge a single millimeter. The legs are thick, the cross braces are reinforced, and the rubber tips on the feet grip the floor like glue. I mean, the peace of mind this gives you is completely worth it. The 3-in-1 design is genuinely clever too. You can use it as a standalone commode, take the bucket out and use it as a safety frame over your regular toilet, or use it as an elevated seat. I tried all 3 configurations. Adjusting the height is super smooth, and the locking pins actually snap into place firmly without pinching your fingers. Comfort-wise, Vive really paid attention. The seat is extra wide. You actually have room to breathe. It does not pinch your legs, and the material feels significantly warmer and softer than the brittle plastic on the cheaper models. They also include disposable liners in the box, which is just a really nice, thoughtful touch that saves you an extra trip to the store. Number 3. Hybodies Bedside Commode Wheelchair. I know what you might be thinking, a wheelchair? But let me explain why this genuinely blew me away during my testing. This is actually a rolling commode, a transport chair, and a shower chair all wrapped into one piece of equipment. The mobility aspect absolutely changes the game. Instead of having a static chair taking up space next to the bed, you can wheel this directly over a standard toilet. I tested the casters on both carpet and hardwood floors. They roll incredibly smoothly, and more importantly, all 4 wheels have individual locking brakes. Once you lock them down, the chair is perfectly locked in place. What I really loved about the Hybodies model is the waterproof construction. The frame is an anti-rust aluminum. I literally left this in a running shower to see how it held up, and the water just beads right off. The seat cushion is also waterproof and surprisingly plush. It is rare to find a commode that actually feels like a comfortable chair you would want to sit in. The footrests and armrests are completely adjustable too. You can swing the footrests away when you don't need them, which prevents tripping hazards when getting out of bed. The whole design just feels incredibly thoughtful. It completely eliminates the need to buy 3 separate pieces of equipment for your home. It is an absolute powerhouse for versatility. If you are dealing with a situation where moving to the bathroom is a major chore, being able to simply roll there securely is life-changing. Carex 3-in-1 Folding Bedside Commode. Now, I know we talked about a folding commode earlier that I was not thrilled with, but Carex absolutely nailed the folding concept. When I took this out of the box, I was immediately impressed by how substantial it felt while still being incredibly easy to pack away. Here's the thing about portability. Usually you sacrifice stability, but Carex somehow managed to keep the frame incredibly rigid. I folded and unfolded this thing at least 20 times. The joints are tight, the locking mechanisms are solid, and there is zero wobble when you sit down. It is exactly how a folding chair should feel. The contoured seat is what really won me over. Most Commode seats are completely flat. The Carex seat has a slight ergonomic curve to it. Let me explain why that matters. It actually supports your posture and reduces pressure on your thighs. I sat on it for an extended period just to test it out, and it is significantly more comfortable than the competition. They also solved the bucket rattling issue. The Carex bucket comes with a dedicated splash guard and a lid that actually seals tightly. When you slide it into the frame, it sits securely on a metal track. It doesn't slide around, and carrying it to the bathroom to empty it feels totally secure. It's the little details like that that really reduce the stress of the whole process. Akimraby Bedside Commode for Seniors. I have to be completely honest here. I had never heard of this brand before I started testing, but within 5 minutes of setting it up, I knew this was the absolute best option on the market. It fundamentally rethinks what a bedside commode should be. First of all, let us talk about the design. It does not look like a sterile piece of medical equipment. It actually looks like a normal piece of furniture. The frame has this premium finish, and the entire seating area is covered in this incredibly soft, thick leather-like material. I mean, having something that blends into a bedroom without looking clinical is a massive dignity boost. The comfort level is just completely off the charts. The backrest is tall and fully padded, and the armrests actually have real cushioning. When I sat in it, I felt completely supported. It is easily comfortable enough to be used as a regular chair during the day. That is a massive deal for someone spending a lot of time in their bedroom. But it's the hygiene features that really seal the deal. The Akimraby comes with this brilliant double-sealed bucket system. It completely locks in any odors, not just a little bit, completely. And the bucket itself has this super smooth interior that makes cleaning ridiculously easy. Plus, the side comes with a built-in tissue holder, which is one of those simple additions that makes you wonder why everyone else doesn't do it.